Hi guys, the Nothing Phone 1 is gonna be available by the end of next month. And if you're wondering what that is, Nothing is a company started by the ex-CEO and co-founder of OnePlus, Carl Pei. They already have their first product, the Nothing Ear 1, which is a pair of wireless earbuds. And they're about to break into the smartphone market with the same transparency design of the Nothing Ear 1. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So here's a quick history on Nothing. Carl Pei, the former CEO and co-founder of OnePlus, had been the face of the company since 2013. But in October 2020, he left the company to start an audio-related company called Nothing. And last year, they released their first device, the Nothing Ear 1. It was a pair of true wireless earbuds with a similar design to the Apple AirPods Pro. But it was also very unique in that it had some transparent parts that lets you see the inside of the device. That was one of its huge selling points, and that transparency is gonna be coming to the Nothing Phone 1. So the phone has been confirmed by Carl Pei himself to be coming at the end of April. So here's a backstory on how Nothing transitioned from an audio-related company to one that's about to break the smartphone market. So just over a year ago, Nothing acquired Essential, the smartphone company founded by Andy Rubin, the father of Android. And since then, there have been speculations of Nothing working on a smartphone, which turned out to be true and was recently confirmed by Carl Pei at the Mobile World Congress. And according to some sources from TechCrunch, Carl Pei is meeting with some industry executives like Qualcomm to show the prototype of the Nothing Phone 1. And he also confirmed it to launch at the end of next month, which means we're not too far away from seeing a totally new smartphone. So what can we expect from the Nothing Phone 1? Well, the first thing, and this has been confirmed by TechCrunch, is the signature design of the Nothing Ear 1. So there's gonna be some elements of transparency in the design of the Nothing Phone 1, meaning we're gonna be able to see some internals in some parts of the phone, just like the Nothing Ear 1, which is gonna be really cool. And Carl Pei is an enthusiast, so we can expect the phone to cater to enthusiasts just like OnePlus did when it just started. And that means it's gonna be heavily spec'd to keep up with the competition. So we should expect the latest and greatest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Now the question remains if Nothing is gonna be able to make an impact in the already saturated smartphone market. And is it gonna be a disruptor and another flagship killer like OnePlus was in its early days? We'll have to wait and see. But I'll be sure to cover any updates regarding the Nothing phone. So definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't so you don't miss it. And be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one.